still using that boring default cursor? Allow me to show you how to completely transform it with these slick custom cursors. They are easy to install, look amazing, and you can get them completely free. Let's get started. To get this going, click the link provided in the description and that should direct you to this website. As we can see here, we have vast majority of cursors you can actually choose from. Here is the animated cursor, we have anime. If you expand it here, you have white cursors, you have the ones for macOS, and you have Linux, and even the dark cursors. I'm going to show you how to install it easily. First thing you have to do is to make your choice, of course, and click on the one that you like. If you get a page like this, don't panic, just wait for a few seconds, then click skip ads. Go to the top right, click download file. We have all these options for the server. It doesn't matter which one you choose. I will go for the first one. Click on the download icon. Now navigate to the file location. In my case, it's the downloads. It's going to come in a zip file. Just extract it. Highlight on it, right click on it, then choose extract all. Click on extract. Just open this folder. Now locate the installer. In this case, the installer is at the top of it. Highlight on it, right click on it, then click on install. Click on open. The cursor is still the same because we still have to make some changes in the settings. In your search bar, type mouse settings. There we have it. Click on mouse settings. Here in the settings, scroll down, then choose additional mouse settings. In the mouse properties, click on pointers. Right here under the scheme, expand it. Now this is where you're going to find a list of all the installed cursors in your computer. The one I just installed is the Techno Blue, so I'm going to choose this one. Click on that, then choose apply. Now here, choose yes. And now you can see that we have a brand new cursor. I'm not so happy with this cursor. I mean, the name says blue, but it looks more of black than blue. That is nothing to worry about. You can always change it to your preferred cursor. I'm going to select this one, click on apply, click OK. Now I think this one is much better. I'm going to make one more example with the anime cursor. Now if I head on back again to the browser, this time I'm going to go for the anime. Honestly, I'm not a fan of anime. I'm just going to choose anything that looks good. I'm going to select this one, download it, choose anyone here, download. Then you want to go back to the file location, highlight on the zip file, right click on it, click on extract all, extract it. Open the cursors folder. Here we have the install right here. Highlight on it, right click on it, then install. Click on open. In some cases, the mouse properties opens automatically. That makes the whole thing easier actually. And you don't have to navigate all around looking for the settings. And here in the mouse properties, in the pointers, expand it. I think it's arranged in alphabetical order. Click on that one, then choose OK. Click on yes. Now as you can see, we have this brand new cursor which is looking awesome, and I think I'm beginning to like this anime stuff actually. So if you go back again to the settings, additional mouse settings, go to the pointers. If you want to remove this cursor, first of all ensure it's selected, then click on delete. Okay, after deleting it, go to browse. Okay, click on browse. Here you're going to find the containing folders of the cursor, highlight on it, then delete. Okay, just delete it, and that simple step will completely remove the cursor from your PC. So that's going to be all for now guys. If you like what I'm doing here, subscribe to this channel and also click on that bell so you get notified whenever I post cool contents like this. Have a nice day. Peace out.